Welcome to United Cooperative. This is our new Waupun, Wisconsin feed manufacturing site. There's 3 different phases here. The feed mill, which we'll be touring, and then off behind me is the grain facility, and soon will be our new soy processing facility. Come on in. This is the feed administrative area. This is where the customers call and customer services are done for feed ordering. This is our robotic packaging area. We package minerals on the left-hand side and high texturized calf feeds on the right-hand side. This facility can package 18 bags a minute on the mineral side and 14 bags a minute on the high molasses texturized feed. This yellow machine here is the robot stacker that picks up bags, stacks them on pallets for us. Now we leave the packaging area. We're going to be entering the warehouse facility. We have about 41,000 square foot of warehouse capacity. We can hold about 70 semi-loads of bagged ingredients. It would be a combination of totes and 50-pound bags. Now we're entering the feed manufacturing area of our facility. Behind me is the feed microsystem. We have 14 different tote sites on the microsystem. These tall white bins, these are bins that we add feed to out of 50-pound bags for items that are not available in totes. This is all fully computerized. The computer system controls exactly which ingredient that needs to be put into the mixer. Here we're transitioning into the liquid room. We have 8 different liquid ingredients in this facility from multiple different sources of molasses to soy oil to animal fat to liquid element. Each one of these tanks holds about a semi to 2.5 semi-loads of liquid. Now we're into the boiler room. This boiler provides steam for our pelleter, provides steam for steam flake corn, and it also provides in-floor heat for 3 of the rooms here in this facility. Here we are in the basement of the facility. This is our 8-ton mixer. This will mix all the supplement feeds and complete feeds. With this mixer, we can do a semi-load of feed every 15 to 17 minutes. Off to the other side of me is the cooler. We have 2 coolers in this facility, one to cool pelleted feed down and one to cool steam flake corn down. Here we are in the control room. This is really the brains of the facility. The computer controls every on-off switch from augers to conveyors to the mixer. On the screen here behind me, the control fellows can see what everything is running, from which auger is running, which conveyor is running, out of which bin the feed is coming from. Now we're entering the different bays outside. The first bay that you see here is to hold 14 large bins. In this bay, we're above a scale, so the driver knows exactly what the weight is immediately as he's loading trucks. In the bay off to the other side here is our loadout bay. There's 32 different loadout bins in that bay. Currently, we're loading a hopper bottom full of feed to go out to a customer. As you can see, one of our trucks is coming in over the scale. We can load auger trucks, live floor trucks, or hopper bottom trucks in here. Each bin then comes down to a downspout that's controlled both electronically and manually to be able to make sure the feed goes in the right compartment of the truck. Now we're in the receiving area of the mill. We have 3 receiving bays, one that's on top of rail, 2 for strictly truck. We can receive 2 different ingredients at the same time. We can receive at the capacity of 15,000 bushel an hour under each receiving pit. Corn comes underground through a conveyor from our grain division, and that's received at 10,000 bushel an hour. Now we're in the processing room. We have 2 processors. The one on the right is processed corn, at 36 ton an hour. The one on the left is for specialty ingredients like roasted beans, corn gluten feed, soy hull pellets. That's at about 25 ton an hour. Here we are in the pelleting room. This pelleter can pellet feed at 15 ton an hour. After it's pelleted, it will go through a cleaner to take out the fines, go through a cooler to cool down the pellets so that we end up with a good, hard, firm pellet. This is a steam flake chest. On the bottom, we process, we roll the corn. The top, this whole chest here is to add steam to soften the corn, and then we crimp it to get a good quality steam flake corn. Thanks a lot for coming today. It's been a great opportunity to give you a tour of our new facility here in Waupun. We're excited to be part of the Waupun community and the commitment that United Cooperative is bringing to agriculture in the state of Wisconsin. Our tagline is, rely on us, and that's our commitment to you, our customers, our community, and our prospects.